I need to jump branches in the background or start that happening so I can do the other ones. Hold on a
And just
second.
to overlay some voice on this, like
Yeah.
this is the goal of making workbooks do more stuff.
Yeah.
Like, dashboards are a kind of thing, query views, spreadsheets, like in the design mock, we've got the little tray that comes out on the side. We can actually start exploring all of these new concepts that live inside the workbook, which is
Right.
going to be awesome because it just means that people are going to be able to do more stuff.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. So the other one is drafts or branches love drafts, I guess is the working title of the project. We are starting to ship it I have it off in a sandbox that I can let folks poke at if they feel like it, which I will share later, or you can reach out to me and I'll share it with you. But what we've been playing with is sort of the flow for entering branch drafts. So here I'm in a model, I drop into a branch like feature to refactor, awful branch name. Okay. Over here, oops, wrong instance. Yeah, too many machines. Um, I'm going to open up that same, I hope this is on the right model. We'll find out. Nope, that's local. Oh, this one's evil. So you'll notice I clicked on that and I should have dropped me the publish because I was in a branch. It automatically pulled me into a draft on that branch. And if I go over to the workbook and pull up this guy, I can actually see this has a bunch of branch attached drafts. And I can move through them. So this one's actually not on a branch. This one's on some crazy Jared chatting about branches branch. Um, so this sort of gives us the shuffling around and also sort of lets you navigate around the way you expect. There are some interesting challenges with our current world of how we think about branches in the IDE and how they kind of follow you around, and the idea that drafts are very strongly attached and we need to kind of work on how that feels. This is a first run it after a conversation with Ariel yesterday, making it fairly elegant. And what you'll notice is that you can't publish this on a draft. You need to like merge the draft, and I have not yet exposed that, or sorry, merge the branch. You also up here don't get leave draft. You get exit branch and leave draft. It's actually going to do both actions in one. So if I click it, I drop all the way out to here. Um, and that
Luke, what happens here if there are model changes in the branch?
they come, you're on the branch. So if I click like this
Yep.
draft here is
I
on the
mean in the
branch.
merge. Does it merge into the workbook or does it merge into the shared model?
Uh, so the workbook has its own changes in it. You can promote these into the branch if you want to.
Okay.
And this solves the problem right now where like you'll be on a branch and you'll like promote some stuff up, but then you'll get off the branch and now your draft is in a crazy state because they're strongly tied together. Even if you promote, unless you go like really detach this draft from the branch, which is a annoying gesture intentionally, you won't hurt yourself. So yeah, we have that gesture feels a lot better where you can just push stuff up into the branch.
Okay.
So yeah, that's fundamentally what I do is we want to really tightly bond those two. Um, there is a chunk of work to make that feel right. Um, but yeah, so that's kind of the where we're going. Um, I think this is almost ready to like let people poke at it on a private instance and see how it feels. Lots of stuff to go iterate on, make it smooth things out, but it does work. And you can like actually archive a branch, which is nice because before you actually couldn't. Or branch drafts, I can like archive this and make it go away. It just works. Things like that. So yeah, lots to chase down. But hopefully you can start getting some feedback on it from people like Ariel and Colin and see what they think. So yeah.